Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar and now you are watching Home Lecture Questions of the Day. What is market segmentation? After this. Market segmentation is referred to the process when we categorize our customer. For example, let's say we have 10 customers. So we're going to segmentize them. We will categorize them according to the specific criteria. For example, it can be a race, it can be a location, it can be gender. Why we need to do that? When we segmentize our customer, for example, out of 10, we can see who is our target market. For example, let's say we take location as our criteria. So we can see most of our customers come from which country. Is it from Malaysia? Is it from Brunei? Is it from Canada, Uganda, Wakanda? So that we can know this is our target market and we can emphasize more to attract them to keep buying our product and services. At the same time, we also can identify our potential customer. So we can do extra research. What are the factors that contribute to this situation? Again, segmentize, we categorize our customers so that we can know this is our target market. At the same time, we also can use this information to do a research so that we can capture everyone to be part of our business. Especially, definitely customer. Thank you. Bye.